Good afternoon. This is Rob Winton, principal at Rocky River High School, and I wanted to take a moment to create a video to help parents navigate their college search for their child. This definitely can be an intimidating process, and it's often a process where people feel in over their heads. They don't know where to start, where to look, or how to search. Fortunately, the College Board has put together a really good website with a lot of resources to find the best college fit, and I wanted to take a second and just walk you through that. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your son or daughter's College Board account. If you want to look up here, you can see it's bigfuture.collegeboard.org, and it'll take you to this screen right here. The next thing you want to do is go to the Find College tab and start with Colleges 101. This will take you to the next screen, and this is where you begin navigating your college choices. If you go to the far right of the screen, you'll see it says College Search Step by Step. Click on the button right here that says Go. This will lead you to the next screen that basically says where can you find the right college or where's the right fit. Click on the Begin Exploring button here in blue, and it brings you up to here. Now these pages, you have to scroll a little bit to see everything that it entails. You can read up on it some more, but if you look at the top toolbar here, we're going to go through these real briefly, and it's going to give you a list of colleges that fit your selection. I'm sorry, let me go back here. So is this kind of college important to you? I'm going to go somewhat on this, looking for a four-year college, and then hit next arrow right here. Location-wise, it gives you the ability, again, to choose how important location is. We'll select somewhat. You then click here, and you can go all the way from 20 miles to 3,000 miles. To create a bigger search area, we'll go 1,000 miles and just type in Rocky River zip code. Oops, sorry. Go back up, hit over, and again, you just keep going through this campus setting. What size of school do you want? Let's say you're looking at a medium-sized school. How important is cost? It's usually very important to everybody, so we'll go all the way over here for that one. College major, somewhat. Again, you can obviously change these up all you want. Okay, once you get through that process, it brings you to this screen. You can print the snapshot, but just click on here, Find Colleges, and it should give you a list of choices available. If you scroll down to the bottom of this screen, right here, you'll see it says 1 of 28. So it yielded 20 results. You can obviously make the result feel larger or smaller depending on your need. But let's say for the purpose of this video, we want to select a college that not many students get into. That would be American University. So you click on American University, and it's going to take you to the American University page, which gives you an at-a-glance overview, and then you can get into as much detail as you want. The other thing to remember when looking for college choices is colleges do this now. How many percent of graduates graduate within 6 years? It's no longer 4 years. So when you are looking at the price tag on a college, plan for 6 years, as that is now the new average that students are taking to graduate. On the right side, this almost works like when you're looking for hotels or flights, or you buy books on Amazon. It gives you what other viewers have also viewed. So you can see that people are looking at American University, are also looking at Boston College and George Washington, more East Coast schools. If you go back over to the left side here and click on Applying, this will give you a lot of details as far as who gets in and who doesn't, and also it'll give you some information on test scores. With American University, you can just start looking at some of their statistics, and you can see it's a very difficult school to get into. Up here you have regular applicants, the total amount of kids that applied last year, the amount that were admitted, and then the amount that actually enrolled. Over here you have over 4,000 that were placed on a wait list, 600 they actually got accepted. Or I'm sorry, they were accepting placement, but none accepted from the wait list. Scrolling on down, I think this area right here is real important, and you can see if you go to just academics and GPA, it'll tell you what high school requirements you need to have in place. that are required and which ones are recommended. Obviously, this university has requirements for math, science, social studies, but also academic electives is another important one. This is probably the most important tab when searching for schools. This is the SAT, ACT range. So if you click on the ACT, just for the purpose of this, you can see the ACT composite percent of freshmen in each score range. So if you had a 24 or above, you had a decent shot of getting in based off of that score. If you score below a 24, it's pretty difficult to get in. So that's a good place to look. If you took the SAT, which our kids take both the SAT and ACT, you can see the same type of percentages. So as you can see, we're back to the American University home screen. You can search for any college in the United States or world on here, and there's other ways to narrow down your search. It can be narrowed down by, obviously, distance, financial cost, size, majors, things of that sort. And you can also put in schools, if you're concerned about test scores, ACT and SAT, you can put in scores that accept applicants without requiring those test scores as well. So if you have some time, take a few minutes and look through the College Board's website. You should find it really insightful. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to myself or your child's counselor. Thank you and have a great day.